Hello, it's the Mac Addict here on behalf of Locker Gnome with a screencast on building a personal blog dashboard widget for Mac OS X. Let's get started. Alright, the first step in developing the personal blog dashboard widget is to make sure you have the iPhone SDK downloaded and installed on your computer. If you don't, it's very easy and free. Go to developer.apple.com/iPhone, sign up for a free developer's account, and once you're logged in like I am, scroll down until you see Downloads. And under the appropriate subheading, click iPhone SDK with Xcode. Download and install it. Once you've done that, open Dashcode, which is a program that was included in the iPhone SDK. You'll be greeted with an untitled sheet as well as a template chooser. On the left, you want to make sure you have dashboard widget selected as well as the RSS in the right. Then click choose. Make sure you also have the inspector open. And there is our basic template for our personal blog dashboard widget. For this case, I'm going to use Chris Perillo's blog. Alright, so the first step in doing that is going down to the workflow steps and clicking Set Attributes, and then clicking RSS Properties. So I'm just going to use Chris Perillo's feed burner feed. Just copy and paste it under feed URL and properties. Make sure it shows English, and then under show articles I'm going to choose 5 within any date, show new content badge, and show article date and time. None of this you need to deal or worry about. Alright, so let's mark as done, as well as set attributes. So now we're going to go back to the front and apply some styling. So first, instead of saying it my RSS feed, let's name it Chris Perillo's blog. Apply some simple styling. And then also I'm going to include Chris's Twitter avatar. So it provides some notification to the end user. So to put it in really easily, if you click the down arrow for back, you'll see the back developed with. And that is a picture. We're just going to drag that to the front and it'll show up on the front. Well, we can just put it anywhere for right now. Then down here, you want to click the show or hide this project's files. So it's going to show the project files. Then under images, I'm going to delete the developed with.png, and then simply I saved it as an image on my desktop for his avatar and named it the same. So I'm just going to drag that over and it's going to replace it. So now we're going to make it a nice size. Maybe put a solid stroke on it. Over a slight. And now it provides a little more custom look. And might as well change this from the boring Apple colors. Just going to make that black and do kind of like his website looks. Like so. Same it down here. I'm just going to choose a solid black for this one. And this is just kind of a pet peeve for me. I like after loading the 3 little dots. You don't have to have that. And this little info logo is to go to the back, which we will deal with in a moment. So right now that's the front, and if we were to run it, it looks just like this. with his avatar and Chris Pearl's blog, and it shows all the articles. And we haven't added the back yet, but this is how it looks right now, and we can adjust the article length. And now the articles show longer. And then we'll stop that. Alright, so now that we have the front done, let's look at the back. Let's make article length a little bigger, just by going to the inspector and increasing the size. Dash Code likes to put these little lines. They just kind of annoy me, so you can delete those. To make this a little longer, move the done key up there, since that's all we're doing. And that's pretty much all the back's going to be right now. So we'll run it again. It'll load Chris Pearl's blog. And if you notice, while it was loading, right here, it said the little loading. And now we can read it. And we can even click on links. And it'll open it in Safari. So I just opened a Twitter link, hardly normal. Alright, so let's stop running it. Once we're all done, like we are now, we're going to go to File, Save As. Just going to name this Chris P. Dashboard Widget. Save. It's going to save everything. And then we're going to go back to the File menu and click Deploy Widget. And it's going to open my dashboard. Ask me if I want to install it. It'll say, would you like to delete or keep this? I'm going to click Keep. And there it is. Move it around. We can scroll. We can click on links. It'll load. I think I clicked on a Locker Gnome link. Yep. So that is our built, finished dashboard widget. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Make sure to visit youtube.com/LockerGnome and youtube.com/It'sTheMacAddict. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.